Ever wished you could see through walls or detect hidden heat? That's why we found thermal camera that can turn invisible heat into clear images. I tested the top models with best resolution, accuracy, and battery life. Check the description below to get special discount. And let's dive in. First up, for those who want a powerful thermal camera with AI scene detection and a wide temperature range, we have the HF96 thermal camera with AI scene detection. This thermal imaging camera features a 240 by 240 super resolution, delivering detailed thermal images that help you identify issues quickly and accurately. The temperature range is impressive, covering -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for everything from electrical inspections to HVAC diagnostics. The built-in laser pointer helps you pinpoint the exact location of hotspots, and the 25 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth, real-time imaging. With an impressive 11-hour battery life, you can work through an entire day without worrying about recharging. The AI scene detection automatically recognizes different environments, such as electrical panels, HVAC systems, or building structures, and adjusts the camera settings for optimal image quality. This saves time and ensures you get the most accurate readings possible. The camera also features a high-resolution display that makes it easy to view images even in bright sunlight. The super resolution technology enhances image quality, providing sharper details that help you identify issues more precisely. The laser pointer is especially useful when you need to mark specific areas for further inspection or repair. For professionals who need reliable performance and AI-powered scene detection, the HF96 is a top-tier choice. Next, we have AccuMEMSGT16D, a dual-spectrum thermal camera that combines thermal and visual imaging for the best of both worlds. The GT16D dual-spectrum thermal camera. This model features a 240 by 240 UIRA-IR resolution and a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, with an incredible sensitivity of less than 50 millikelvin. The dual-spectrum design overlays thermal and visual images, making it easier to identify the exact location of temperature anomalies. It features AI-UIRA scene recognition with thermometer mode, precision detection, which automatically identifies scenes like electrical panels or HVAC systems for faster diagnosis. The thermal sensitivity of less than 50 millikelvin means it can detect even the smallest temperature differences, making it ideal for detailed inspections where precision matters most. The 11-hour runtime and 25 Hz refresh rate ensure smooth, long-lasting performance even during extended work sessions. The camera also includes a visual camera that captures standard images alongside thermal images, providing context for your thermal data. This dual-spectrum capability is invaluable for creating professional reports that clearly show both the visual context and the thermal anomaly. The visual overlay helps clients understand what they're looking at, making it easier to explain issues and justify repairs. The thermometer mode precision detection ensures accurate temperature measurements even in complex scenes. For professionals who need the most precise and versatile thermal imaging tool, the GT16D is an exceptional choice. For those who want a compact, budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality, we have the TOPDON TC004 Mini Thermal Imaging Camera. This handheld infrared camera features a 240 by 240 TISR resolution and a temperature range up to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your pocket, and the 15-hour battery life ensures you can work through multiple jobs without recharging. It features high and low temperature alerts, which automatically notify you when temperatures exceed or drop below set thresholds, making it ideal for HVAC and electrical inspections. The auto shutdown feature helps preserve battery life when not in use, and the 25 Hz refresh rate provides smooth, real-time imaging. The camera is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during long inspections. The temperature alerts are especially useful for quickly identifying potential hazards, such as overheating electrical components or freezing pipes. For those who want a portable, affordable thermal camera with reliable performance, the TOPDON TC004 is a fantastic choice. The TOPDON TC004 3.5-inch thermal imaging camera is a step up in resolution and storage capacity. This model features a 512 by 384 TISR resolution, delivering much sharper thermal images compared to the standard model. The 3.5-inch display is bright and clear, making it easy to view images even in bright conditions. The 8-hour battery life is sufficient for a full workday, and the 64 GB storage lets you save thousands of images and videos for later analysis. The built-in PC analysis software allows you to review and share findings with clients or team members. The camera also supports video recording, making it easy to document inspections for training or reporting purposes. The higher resolution means you can zoom in on details without losing image quality, which is critical for identifying subtle temperature variations. The PC software is powerful and intuitive, allowing you to generate professional reports quickly and easily. For professionals who need high-resolution images and ample storage for documentation, this TOPDON TC004 is an excellent choice. Finally, we have the H128 handheld thermal camera, which focuses on long battery life and durability. This thermal camera features a 240 by 240 TISR resolution and a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. The standout feature is the incredible 24-hour battery life, making it perfect for extended fieldwork without needing to recharge. It has an IP65 protection level, meaning it's dust-tight and protected against water jets, making it suitable for tough environments like construction sites and industrial facilities. The temperature alarm alerts you when the temperature exceeds set limits, and the 25 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth imaging. The rugged design can withstand drops and impacts, making it reliable in demanding conditions. The camera also features a bright display that remains visible even in direct sunlight. The long battery life is a game changer for professionals who spend multiple days on site without access to charging facilities. The IP65 rating means you can confidently use it in dusty or wet environments without worrying about damaging the camera. For professionals who need a rugged, long-lasting thermal camera for demanding conditions, the H128 is a durable and reliable choice. From the AI-powered HF96 to the dual-spectrum GT16D, the compact TOPDON TC004, the high-resolution TOPDON TC004 with 64 GB storage, and the durable H128 with 24-hour battery life, these 5 handheld thermal cameras offer powerful solutions for professionals and DIY ears alike. Think about what matters most to you. Is it AI scene detection for faster diagnosis, dual spectrum imaging for clarity, long battery life for extended workdays, or high-resolution images for detailed analysis? One of these thermal cameras is the answer. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.